My presentation is called Dr. Aly's Matrix Question. The contents of the presentation starts by looking at matrix question in literature, then stating the differences between what you find in literature and the newly suggested matrix by me, Dr. Aly. I will give examples with solutions and some other examples without solutions, and then I will end up with some concluding remarks. Matrices are a mathematical expression used by engineers to arrange data and perform matrix manipulation in algebra. However, it can be used to compile a type of question for a large number of students, like true-false questions, MCQ questions, and matching questions. If you look into literature, you will find the term matrix question, but the difference here is that Dr. Aly puts the question in a different form. Several examples are given to demonstrate the use. If you look in literature, you will find two types of questions: matrix questions and Likert scales. Matrix questions are made to evaluate one or more row items using the same set of column choices, and Likert scales are a specific type of matrix questions designed to measure opinions linearly. And I will give two examples. This for the matrix question, and as you can see, you check the cells at the intersection relating the items in the first column with the items in the first row. This is a Likert scale, and it's designed to examine how strongly subjects agree or disagree with the statement on a 5-point scale. The 5-point scale is strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. Dr. Aly's matrix is not used to test satisfaction as in literature, but it is used to test knowledge of taught subjects. Examples of matrix questions is related to education in the engineering field because of my profession as a professor at the Faculty of Engineering, but the same concept can be used for other fields. We give some examples with solution here. It's a matrix question that talks about the contents of technical paper, and this is the solution to the matrix question, where you can see that you can have more than one tick mark in the same row and more than one tick mark in the same column. For example, numerical results should be presented in the form of figures and tables, and at the same time results in the form of figures should be explained. Here is the use of punctuation marks, and it shows the types of punctuation marks in the first row, and in the first column the description of the punctuation. And in the solution you can find that we can categorize punctuation marks as being either a separator or terminator. For example, separators are comma, colon, semicolon, apostrophe, dash, bracket, or hyphen, and a terminator is a period, exclamation mark, or ellipsis. These are other examples without solutions, like the types of letter formats. There are 4 types here: block and semi-block and alternative and simplified. And the characteristics of the format goes flush, left, complementary, close, heading, signature block, subject line added, and salutation omitted. Another example is relating the type of data with the type of graph in Excel in particular. For example, some types of data is whole on each part, simple comparison, multiple comparison, and some of the graphs in Excel are clustered column, stacked column, clustered bar, stacked bar, line, scatter, pie, and so on. Another example is technical communication type. We have 4 types of technical communication, either face-to-face, letter, phone, or email, and these are the description of what we want to do with communication, and the exercise or the question here trying to see what is the best type of communication that satisfies the description in the first column. Here is types of engineering reports in terms of contents and format, where the first column lists the items related to contents and appearance, and the first row is a list of technical reports like trip report, laboratory report, specifications, proposals, and so on. Here is a different type of matrix that shows the connection between the SDGs and the different faculties and institutes at Ain Shams University, and I use this in a training course to see how faculty members in different faculties relate what they are doing in terms of teaching and research and community service that has to do with sustainable development goals. My concluding remarks is that this presentation introduces a new question type used for large number of students or for e-learning courses. But this Dr. Aly's matrix is used to test knowledge of students at the Faculty of Engineering, and it gives a series of examples that cover technical writing course material that I teach, in addition to a survey connecting SDGs to Ain Shams University faculty's activities.